and white. Elephant with a trunk so long stomps the ground and sings a song. Bear is fuzzy, big and round, loves the forest, loves the sound. Deer runs fast with feet so light, jumps and plays from day to night. Zebra wears a stripy coat, looks like he's wearing a black-white boat. Giraffe is tall, eats from trees, neck so long it sways in breeze. Leopard sneaks with silent paws, spotted fur and gentle claws. Rhino's horn is strong and tough, big and heavy, never rough. Fox is clever, sly and quick, with a fluffy tail and a sneaky trick.
Jujukids, where the giggles grow.